Carolyn Branch Brooks, born 1946, still alive as of August 15, 2021, African-American microbiologist. Carolyn Branch Brooks has made numerous contributions to the fields of microbiology and molecular biology, but it is her work as a mentor to her students that most defines her as a person. She has spent most of her career at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore, where her research has concentrated on improving agricultural productivity through plant and microbial biotechnology. Carolyn Branch was born on July 8, 1946, to Shirley Booker Branch and Charles Walker Branch. The family, including an older sister, lived with Carolyn's great-grandparents in Richmond, Virginia. Her mother, an antique store worker, and father, a truck driver, worked long hours to provide for their daughters, and Carolyn showed her appreciation by doing her best at school. In the 1950s, her parents moved to a new neighborhood in Richmond. Carolyn continued to attend her old school, where she was surrounded by supportive teachers who recognized her potential. She took part in a special summer school for African-American science students, where she was impressed by a guest speaker's description of his work as a medical microbiologist. Carolyn decided that she wanted to pursue a career in that field. Her dreams became possible when she was offered scholarships at 6 different colleges. She chose to attend Tuskegee University in Alabama, where she majored in biology. There she met Henry Brooks, whom she married at the end of her second year. She graduated in 1968, remaining in the program through the birth of 2 sons, encouraged to continue with her career plans by her new husband and her professors. She earned her master's degree from Tuskegee in 1971, by which time she also had the first of 2 daughters. Carolyn Brooks went on to receive a doctoral degree in 1977 from Ohio State University, where her dissertation research focused on the human immune system and how macrophages in the blood destroy invading malaria parasites. Following her graduation, Dr. Brooks worked at Kentucky State University, where she studied the nutritional needs of the elderly. She discovered a correlation between trace minerals found in hair and mineral intake in the subject's diet, which enabled some medical problems caused by improper diet to be more easily diagnosed. In 1981, Dr. Brooks took a position at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore, where she became Dean of the School of Agriculture and Natural Sciences and 1890 Research Director in 1994, and Executive Assistant to the President and Chief of Staff in 1997. Her research at UMES has primarily involved agricultural productivity and includes studies of nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria and their relationship with plants in the legume family, peas and beans, as well as increasing plant resistance to insects and other predators through selective breeding and genetic engineering. In 1984 to 1985, she visited Togo and Senegal in West Africa, where she studied the microbes associated with an African groundnut. Her research helped to improve the food value of the plant by increasing the nitrogen-fixing ability of the microbe. In 1988, she helped local scientists in Cameroon, West Africa, improve productivity of a number of food crops. In 1998, Dr. Brooks helped establish collaborative ties with research centers and universities in South Africa as a member of the USAID-USDA team, and also represented UMES in linkage meetings with Egyptian universities. Throughout her career at UMES, Dr. Brooks has also guided the research of her students. She has received numerous awards for her research, community service, and her abilities as a mentor. Simply by knowing, teaching, and helping her students, she says her life has been enriched daily. Citations and sources are in the description below.